Are you new to the area? Or maybe you just need to find a great HVAC specialist. Whatever your situation, the search can seem difficult if you don't know what questions to ask. Don't worry, it's simple with the right approach. Today's guest is here to chat about local ventilation options and help you find the right HVAC specialist for your project.
I'm often asked, how do you choose the right heating and air conditioning professional? Although finding the right heating and air conditioning professional can seem overwhelming, the good news is it doesn't have to be difficult if you know what questions to ask. I'd like to give you a few tips to help you to find a great heating and air conditioning specialist. First, find out what their area of expertise is. You really want to make sure that you're making the best choice for your situation. Are they personable and trustworthy? Is this someone you feel comfortable working with? You'll feel much better about your decision if you find a professional that is understanding and approachable. Do they offer guaranteed pricing and use qualified professional technicians? And finally, do they have a good reputation? You should always ask for references and check previous customer reviews online. They want to ensure that their previous work was done well and according to their prior agreements. Our expertise is heating and air conditioning, and we focus on helping potential clients to get comfortable in their homes and workplaces. For those that want to learn more, they can simply go to our website at www.airserve.ca/Winnipeg or check out our Facebook page, or they can call us at 204-832-3206. We're happy to help because clients are the key to our success, and we are your comfort company.
Pretty impressive, isn't it? And a great professional is always eager to help. You'll be on your way in no time. Are you looking for more information? Today's guest can be reached by calling the number on your screen. Thank you for your time.